Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to import a graphic layer from Photoshop with the layer styles. So we're going to go to Import, Import to Stage. So we're going to select our Photoshop file again. Okay, again from our background group, we're going to select our background art. But this time we're going to import this image layer as bitmap image with editable layer styles. Now, when you do that, it will automatically create a movie clip. So you can name it if you like. I'll name it art. And you could also give it a registration point. We'll give it in the middle. And of course, you can set the compression settings. Hit OK. Now you can see that it brought in our art. And again, it set up layers for us with the group. But if you take a look at the library this time, now we have a folder called Assets that holds our original graphic. But now you can see we have a movie clip here. So if we double click that, you'll see that's where our graphic is. It is now a movie clip. In the next clip, I'll show you how to import a text layer into Flash.